replacing the siding on my house and taking off the siding, they see a lot of rot on the wood.
Sure.
Do you guys follow through with that also, or do you stop?
We make you aware. We'll probably offer different options that we can do with it. If we physically can't build into it, we would set up something temporary so that it's not getting more damage into the house. We can replace.
Out to get another contractor, or you guys?
If it's framework, we would have to send it out to some other general contractor or someone within that thing. If it's something that we can deal with, where it was just like, yeah, more of the sheeting, we could handle that. Like, we will handle plywood, we will handle sheeting, both on the roof and both on the siding. And asbestos is one that comes up a lot in our PA side, is that they have the asbestos in the walls over there. So we've had to deal with that, and you have the option of removal. Again, that's going to be removed by somebody else, or covering, and that would be covered by somebody else, type of thing. So yeah, we've come across it. We offer everyone options, and it's good to know what your house has before you kind of lean into those things. A quick inspection usually tells you like what to expect and where we might run into issues, but you remove things, we're seeing new things just at the same time as you are.